we are at the last session for this program. I'd really like to say a big thank you to everyone. It's been such an amazing experience to interact with you over these 10 weeks and just get to see you try new things and learn new things and just, really be awesome. Everyone learned new things and blossomed in their own way. So it was really incredible for me to see that. And I'm just happy to be a part of this experience. So as we come to a close with this program, I would just like to ask if anyone would like to share their feedback. Anything they liked about the program, they really got out of the program, they remember about the program.
Hi Jennifer, I think.
Hi.
Yeah. First of all, we'd all like to thank you for this amazing learning experience. You also enjoyed a lot. We're gonna miss you. Yeah. Okay. Then for the feedback, we've discussed about it, and we think we have improved on a lot of fronts like our small talk, email writing, presentation skills, and when. For the presentation skills and what else? Our group work and collaboration. Like we all interacted with each other more and got to know each other better. So that also has improved a lot. And overall, it has helped us tremendously with our jobs. Like we are able to do demos for the client better, talk and interact with the clients more, and also interact with our teammates in the office. Now that we've come to the office, it has become a lot easier due to these training sessions. And the best thing about this program, we all think that it was less theoretical and more hands-on. Like we did activities and tasks, and we all got to learn from that. Yeah, Vishnu, you want to share?
Yeah, I would like to. So this is the first time we were experiencing something like flipped class. So I still believe the first session we had in which Jennifer shared some ideas about flipped class. So we all were so much excited about being part of this flipped class and learning some new skills. So what I like the most is the task group activities or which really helped us. I believe in conversational skills and also uplifting our confidence in public speech. Yeah, there is a lot to talk about, but we have a limited window. So I would like to hand over the mic to other team members.
Yeah, like Vishnu said, I want to add that the breakout room was really helpful. Like how to communicate when you are in a group. So the group work was there. So also we also gained some insight about how to speak when we work across the cultures. So the other part I like is the goal setting. Like initially there is a goal we used to set, and also there is an end session goal, how you met that, if you met or not. So it's a nice way to learn whether you achieved or not. And also the invitation setting, that's also new to me. It's very informative. Thank you for the time. Thank you.
Anjali, anything like that?
Yeah, all of this is like that. Also, I also improved a lot for some time I was not speaking English, so I was very confused and I was very scared to speak. That I will be stuck in the middle. What to do? So like that. So I somewhat overcome those things and somewhat confident in myself that I can speak English very well like that. So that's really helpful, and I can start over by through constant practice. I can really improve my English, and also the email writing skills, small talk, conversational skills, presentation skills, group activities, all those things were really helpful. Some new, small things also really new, and it's really helpful for our work. So thank you for it.
Awesome.
That's about it from our part.
Very nice.
Hi all. Hi Jennifer.
Hello.
I am very happy to say this. We all are enjoyed these sessions very well. So through this, I also say that I can improve my attitude also, because before this session I am very shy, and we always come back to speak something like this. Nowadays, I can meet with clients without any kind of lag, and easily say my works and activities very fluently. So the activities like team collaborations, email writing, and presentations are really helpful to me. And also, thank you for your time. And yes, that's from my side.
Hi Jennifer, this is my first session for English. It's a great experience for me, and I like this activity in these activities as a group activities. For it is learn us more about for the conversation and presentation skills, and more about for the email writing. It's really helpful for us. And the most of thing for the session will be happen at the exact time. That will be really happy for that. And also we have a limitation for time for our other project and areas in there. That's anything it always is good, and all team members are we like say to like in the same thing I want to repeat. So that's why I'm not go for that. In the session has been thank you for that your time and your patience for me. Thank you.
Great. And as I wrap up this feedback session, of course, it was great not only to interact with you here in this session, of course, through email, but our WhatsApp group. And I know many of you had questions and thoughts, and you shared with me in between sessions, and some of you shared voice messages, and we actually had conversations over WhatsApp. So that was actually pretty fun too. And I actually have to say, and I'm very happy to say this, you outshined me in presenting your feedback. When those who go through the program with me actually end on a higher note than me, I know I've done a great service to you. I'm here to help you shine and bring out your best. And I hope you feel that way too. I'm really happy for you. I'm really proud of all of you going through the sessions with me. And I know we will meet again. So thank you so much for being part of the program.